Are you ready for a complete overhaul of Tesla's most affordable model? The facelifted Tesla Model 3, also known as Project Highland, is coming with some exciting new features. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. According to a series of tweets from third-party companion app Teslascope, the refreshed Model 3 will include novelties like steer-by-wire, RGB interior lighting, and more. The car will offer both a conventional steering wheel and an updated yoke-style steering, but they'll no longer be physically connected to the front wheels. Instead, a steer-by-wire system that relies purely on electronic components and wiring will handle steering inputs. But that's not all. The Model 3 Highland will also include matrix LED lights on all trim levels and redesigned multicolor ambient lights for a more modern feel inside. There will also be an increased focus on recycled materials used in the cabin. The source claims that several people closely involved in the development of the new Model 3 say that the EV will come with an improved speaker system, seats that improve ride comfort, and the latest hardware 4.0 computer for the so-called Autopilot driving assistance system. As for pricing, it looks like the refreshed Model 3 will have a similar starting price as the current model when it presumably goes into production sometime toward the end of this year. That's around $40,000 for the base rear-wheel drive variant. However, keep in mind that this information hasn't been confirmed or denied by Tesla, so take it with a grain of salt. What do you think about these updates to the Tesla Model 3? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching.